guys, today I'm with my friend Oscar. Say hi.
Hi.
So today we're gonna make onigiri. So the first step, we're gonna get some
Onigiri or sushi?
sushi. We're gonna get some rice, some of that rice. Yeah. We're gonna put it.
You have a person good dancer.
That's weird. And now we put some tuna. Yum. Wait. Ask an adult to help you if you need help.
No.
And now we cover it up with some rice. That's gonna be, I'm gonna need a lot more. Cover that up. We need to press this good. And now for the happy part, we close it. Wait, I eat it.
Now some oil nourish chips.
That's funny. Funny. Now we flip it here. Come on. Oh, that. No. Need some soy sauce. And yum.
How is it? Yeah.